Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove blackout date in Paycom. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In Paycom, blackout dates are specific periods designated by your employer during which employees are restricted from requesting time off. These dates are typically set to ensure adequate staff during critical business periods and are configured by your organization's HR or administrative team. Now, in order to remove it, what you need to do is simply, as an employee, you do not have the ability to remove blackout dates to yourself, but what you can do is contact your HR or manager. Reach out to your HR department or direct supervisor to inquire about the possibility of adjusting or removing the blackout dates. Then they have the necessary permissions to modify the settings with Paycom. Then next is to utilize the Ask Here feature. If your organization has enabled Paycom's Ask Here feature, you can submit a request or question directly through the platform. This routes your inquiry to appropriate personnel for a timely response. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.